Wow, this place looks different.
Yeah, it's quiet, maybe too quiet.
Taxi? Yes, we go hotel. Blue Moon House?
Blue Moon Hotel?
Yes, Blue Moon Hotel, please.
I think I said it wrong.
A little, but it's okay.
My English is special edition.
Very special.
Why is everything so empty?
This town, not many visitors.
Feels strange.
Blue Moon Hotel. We made it.
Jack, look at this place.
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Ah, finally a normal place.
It's quiet, but nice.
Let's get a table.
Something feels off.
Hello. What would you like?
2 coffee, no. 2 coffees.
2 coffees, please.
2 coffees, please. Sure.
See? I improve.
Slowly.
Okay. This town is not so bad.
Still feels strange. Jack, look at this.
What is that?
Follow the sound of echoes.
This is a map.
Wait, there's more written here. Only those who understand will find the lighthouse.
Adventure?
Adventure?
Okay, first mission.
We need to understand this clue first.
Turn left where the road whispers.
Road whispers. What does that mean?
Maybe a quiet street?
Or maybe something with sound.
English is confusing.
No, we just need help.
Okay, I try this time.
Slowly. Think first.
Excuse me, we look for Whisper Road?
Whisper Road? Yes, road, talking quiet, talking.
Sorry, is there a quiet street nearby? Maybe with wind or sound?
You mean Wind Alley? Yes, Wind Whisper same.
Go straight, then left. You'll hear it.
Thank you so much.
We understand.
See? My English works.
Our English works.
Team English.
Okay, this definitely looks mysterious.
Wait, hear that?
The road really whispers.
The answer hides where shadows move.
Why do all these clues sound scary?
Maybe because you scare easily.
I do not scare easily. Okay, maybe a little.
Look carefully. Something must be here.
Nothing, just old pipes.
Jack, there.
When the sea disappears, the path opens.
Sea disappears.
Maybe low tide?
Actually, that makes sense.
Did you hear that?
We're not alone here.
Still want adventure?
Now I really do.
I know what the clue means now.
You're sure?
When the sea disappears means the water goes down. Low tide.
Maybe, but we should think carefully first.
Trust me.
This place feels empty.
Adventure places are always empty.
No, this feels wrong.
Okay, maybe a little wrong.
You didn't even check the map properly.
I was trying to help.
Guessing isn't helping.
Why do you always correct me?
Because you never slow down and think.
At least I try.
And I'm trying to stop us from getting lost.
What was that?
I don't know.
Jack, we really are lost.
Yeah.
That sound came from here.
This place looks unsafe.
Maybe the clue is inside.
Or trouble is inside.
Shh, listen. If a ghost appears, you talk to it in English.
And you run away?
Very fast.
Stay close.
Okay, this is officially creepy. Nope, definitely creepy.
Look for symbols like before.
Right, glowing marks. Wait, I found something.
What is it?
A hidden clue.
When light touches the water, the truth appears.
Light Water Lighthouse?
That actually sounds right.
See? My brain works sometimes.
When light touches the water, the truth appears.
Light Water Lighthouse?
That actually sounds right.
See? My brain works sometimes. What was that?
Run the exit!
Did you see that?
We need to leave. Now.
Run!
Okay, we are safe, right?
I think so.
That was too much.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I rushed, and I didn't listen.
I was too hard on you too.
No, you were right.
We just need to work together.
Next time, we read slowly and understand together.
That sounds like good English and a good plan.
Finally, I say something correct.
You're getting better.
Light touches water. That must be the lighthouse.
Then we go there together.
No more rushing.
No more guessing.
Together.
Okay, no rushing this time.
Good. We think first.
When light touches the water, the truth appears.
Light, maybe sun.
Yes, sunlight.
And water, the sea.
We need the right moment.
So we wait. Look!
The reflection.
That's the path! We made it!
The lighthouse. Speak the truth clearly, and the path will open.
Speak what truth? Maybe it's not about words only.
Then what?
About us, what we learned.
We want to go inside. Okay, that didn't work.
Speak clearly, speak honestly.
We learned to understand each other.
We listened and worked together.
We are not afraid to try.
We learned English together.